Hi, Andrea Pinkney-Walker here, Week 6 Video Journal. Briefly describe one of the disability categories under IDEA and discuss what you believe the school counselor/psychologist's role in supporting students with disabilities. One disability that stands out to me is other health impairment, which is OHI when students qualify. There are so many different categories that they can qualify under. Some students may qualify due to them having something like diabetes. Some students have heart problems. A lot of students that do qualify under OHI do have a diagnosis from a doctor. So in certain situations, it can be considered critical. Our role as a school counselor and a school psychologist is to make sure that we are accommodating these students appropriately, making sure that all of their teachers do know what the accommodations are and are using these accommodations in the classroom and outside of the classroom. Our role is also to make sure that the students know that they have these accommodations. We need to teach the students to advocate for themselves. So, for instance, if they know that they're supposed to be provided a copy of the teacher's notes, and the teacher may forget to give them the notes or just be unaware that they're supposed to provide these notes, the student can advocate for themselves and say, "Excuse me, miss, I know that I have accommodations that state that I'm supposed to receive a copy of the notes." For instance, our job is to also make sure that these accommodations are appropriate, and if they need to be changed, it's our job to have a meeting to adjust these accommodations. And the best thing for us to do is to include this student in this, because when we're accommodating a student, it's no point of giving them accommodations that are not going to be fit for them. So when you include the student, you may ask them what their struggles are, what their needs are, and what things benefit them, and these will help us best come up with the appropriate accommodations for the student.